Install two number 7 batteries on the back of the remote control. This is the basic function button of the remote control. Place the lamp into the charging board and keep it charged. Long press the touch button for more than 4 seconds, and the blue indicator light will flash. Long press the pairing button on the remote control until the light comes on for 2 seconds and then goes off. Paired successfully. When the light is in the charging state, long press the touch button, the light flashes twice, and the pairing is successfully cancelled. Short press the switch button, the light will turn on or off. With the lights on, short press dimming down or dimming down to increase or decrease brightness. With the light on, press the color temperature adjustment button briefly, and the light will adjust to its own color temperature. When the light is on and not charging, short press the lamp switch lock. The lamp button is not available and can only be controlled using the remote control. Short press the lamp switch unlock. Both the lamp button and remote control can control the lamp.